Even though realistically I'm probably not going anywhere today besides maybe the grocery store, we're switching it up. We're going for the Jordan 1 Black Toes. Seriously, if this video gets 3,500 likes, I'll actually start wearing different shoes every day. I mean, maybe I'll break out these. I haven't worn these ones in years. What is up, everyone? We are back with another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you, except for Steven and except for Jared, because Jared tried to call my video clickbait yesterday. If everyone could tell Jared to be quiet, I'd greatly appreciate that. If you guys didn't see yesterday's video, I'm gonna leave a button right there. But basically, to fill you in, we are doing one of the craziest things ever with the July mystery box, where I'm putting in 100 pairs of sneakers. There's a bunch of amazing Yeezys, Nike Dunks, Off-White, a whole bunch of really cool stuff. You could check it all out on yesterday's video button in the top right hand corner of the screen. They're really close to sold out, so maybe by the time you watch this video your size isn't available, which is unfortunate. I apologize, but seriously, go check it out. There's some awesome stuff, and I think you guys would really enjoy this month's box. If you've already seen it and you haven't picked one up yet, link in the description. But that being said, it's a bit of a quiet, rainy day outside today, cloudy, not a whole lot going on in Winnipeg. So it's just sort of turning into one of these hangout at my apartment days. But thankfully, we actually have some stuff to go over and some stuff to talk about, because it was a crazy morning in the world of sneakers. This is the first time we've had a real Yeezy release in weeks, maybe months. It feels like months. I know it hasn't been, but it feels like months. I honestly couldn't tell you when the last Yeezy release that we had was. Yes, I know we had those stupid foam runners, except no one actually really, okay, actually I know a lot of people that like those. Like Seth absolutely loves those. Seth, what are you thinking? Seth, stop wearing those. I don't know exactly what I was expecting for the Zyon release, except they were hard to get this morning. Oh my goodness, I tried. Absolutely no luck, and they're actually reselling for over $350 right now, which that's a substantial amount of money for Yeezys these days. Not a lot of Yeezys resell. Most of them are $260, $270. Like, you can make $40, $50 off of them. You're golden at this point in time. I don't know if, like, when's the last time we had a 350 release? It's been a long time. And when's the last time people actually got excited about a 350 release? It's been an even longer time. Very strange. I tried to get them on Adidas. I sat around and it was like, you're in line, you're waiting to buy them. And sure enough, I wasn't able to buy them. The Adidas app sucks. The Adidas Canada website sucks. And I was left sad and bummed out this morning because I wasn't able to get a pair. If any of you guys were lucky enough to get a pair, first off, I'm extremely jealous of you. But man, it's so weird with sneaker releases now, because you can't get them in stores because you don't know when they're actually releasing in stores, or in some parts of the country and world, the stores are closed. Online, I suck at getting shoes online. I honestly, it's been years, like literal years, since the last time I got a popular pair of shoes online. I'm so bad at it. I always forget. I'm always like busy at work or playing basketball or just hanging out when the shoes release, and then I get bummed out that I didn't get them. It's so hard to get sneaker releases these days. So if you got them, I tip my hat to you. Good job. Thankfully, look what we have right here. Didn't get them online, but through some fancy finagling. Huh. I don't know. I haven't been that excited about a pair of Yeezys in a while. They're just the same shoe over and over again, except the fact that I got these when they were actually sort of hard to get, and I have them in hand now, which almost no one else does. I don't know. It's a little bit exciting. I have an extremely important business matter to attend to. I have an extremely important meeting that I need to get to, though, and I just realized I'm like 10 minutes late for it. So I will be back in like 3 hours, which is realistically like 2.5 seconds on YouTube. It's really crazy how that works, to show you the shoes. As promised, here they are, the Yeezy Boost Zyons. Now, I was able to get these early, and I was able to get another pair as well. So 2 pairs of a pair of shoes that is pretty popular and a pretty cool colorway if you ask me. I am more than happy with it. And these are in my size, so I can actually throw you guys a quick little on feet as soon as we are done with this segment of the video. But we're gonna do that in just a couple minutes. Let's take a quick look at this shoe. Nothing too crazy. It's a pair of Yeezy 350 V2 Boosts. We've seen these before. We know what to expect. But I think this colorway is sneakily underrated. I didn't care for them that much in pictures. I was like, oh, it's another Yeezy. And it's still another Yeezy, but the color is very unique. It's not just this gray brown color, like there are undertones of maroon and purple and this dark chocolate brown, and there's blues in here. There's some very, very cool hues in here. And if you have 17 other pairs of Yeezys, do you need this one? No, it fits in there with the earth tone umbrella of a bunch of the other colorways. But if you're looking for a more unique colorway, and maybe you only have like the bright ones, like the glow in the darks or the red stripes or something like that, and you're looking for an earth tone colorway, I'd say this is a good one to get. And I was sort of surprised by how they did this morning. I was not expecting that personally, especially in these times. You know, there's not a ton of sneaker releases. Everything's getting pushed back. Things are just really crazy, and 2020 has just been a bizarre year. Just absolutely bizarre. Were you guys able to pick them up? Did you get them? Did you want to get them? Were you just like, I am so tired of Yeezys? And I get it. Like, it's Yeezy, 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 just in your face every day, and it can get repetitive, and it can get cumbersome, and it can get a whole bunch of verbs in between there. But at the end of the day, I think it's a pretty cool colorway, and we're just gonna call this the Zyon Williamsons from now on. That's what we're doing, the Zyon Williamsons. If I could get everyone that's watching at this point in the video to comment Zyon Williamson down in the comment section below, I'd greatly appreciate it. So, out of 10, what would you rate these? 1, 10, 11, 14, 6? Which one of those options? You can't say any other numbers, just 1, 10, 11, 14, or 6 out of 10. What would you rate them? I like them. I'll wear them. I'll probably keep them in my closet and wear them once in the next 6 months and then forget that I have them, and I'll have some awakening where I open up the box and be like, oh, I forgot I had these, but at least I'm self-aware, and you can't fault me for that. All right, enough of me making you guys wait. Here it is. Quick little on foot.